All right, YouTube. So check it out. Maybe I don't really have a reason to be irritated, but you know, I'm a person that don't like spending good money. You know what I'm saying? Because I work, and sometimes things just irritate me. So I'm gonna point something out, and I want y'all to go down in the comments and tell me whether I'm wrong or whether I'm right. I don't know. Just help me out. So let me show you. Let me show you what's going on. So we paid to get the house painted, right? Paid like 2,200, something like that, to get this house painted, right? So if I pay that much to get a house painted, I expect to get the house painted. So as you can see, here's the house. The house is like, I don't know, what are you looking at it? Like 3/4 brick. The rest of it's wood. So this is what they painted, the white part. Now mind you, the shutters were already black. So all they had to do was paint the white part. Now, I'm not saying they didn't do a really good job. Well, they did an okay job. So, because you see where they painted all of the whites around there, the baseboard up top. Now, the sides on those three up there, they didn't paint those. They didn't have to paint the sides because we put those up there. So they were already white. So pretty much what they painted was the front part and up in the edge where it goes up to a V. But if you look up there, even up in the back corner, because I don't know whether I can zoom in to see it from here, but even up in the back corner right there where that one goes up, that's not even painted right there. So really, they just painted the front of these. Because like I said, they didn't have to paint the side. They just painted the front. So here we go to the front of the house. There's the red door. Overspray on the door. All right. So they got that. Coming around. Got the overspray down there. You know, coming around. Like I said, the black shutters were already black because we've had those painted a while ago. So we did that. So we coming around. I'm gonna walk around, and there's the up there. There's shot some paint up there. All right, I got you. There's the, and then you come upstairs right here. Paint on the brick, all of that. You know, paint on the brick. I'm not, maybe I'm just griping too much. So we're gonna go around the back. And here's my other gripe. Why you paint the house? Why is none of this painted? Look at this. I mean, if you don't want to paint this part right here where I got these hangers right here where I hang my Jeep door, where I used to hang my Jeep doors, that's fine. But the rest of this, come on, man. Come on, you gotta be kidding me. Seriously, look at this. Look at this, y'all. None of that. We paint none of that. I mean, you could have. I got it. The sheet was hanging there. You didn't want to bother with that. But look at the rest of this. We just gotta not touch any of this. Now, I'm not saying anything about the staircase because that was replaced after the painters came. So that's not on them. But you can see, look at all of this up there. I mean, come on, y'all. You paint the house. And you can see from here, look at the paint. Now, that's it. So, and here's the bad thing about this. I have cameras around this house, and sorry for the sun. I apologize for the sun and the glare. But I have like 7 cameras around this house. They actually got paint on one of my cameras, and I had to get them to come back out and get the paint off the camera, and it knocked it off crooked. So I don't know, y'all. Maybe it's just me. Maybe it's just a gripe. Maybe because I'm not a painter, I don't know what the cost of having things painted is. But somebody leave some comments down below and let me know whether I'm wrong or whether I have a legit gripe. And that if I pay $2,200 to have a house painted, they should paint the house. Now, obviously, the house is 3/4 inch brick. So if you're not painting the entire house, why am I paying you $2,200? Yeah, like I said, somebody leave me a comment down in the suggestion, down in the comments box, because I'm not a painter. I fully admit that. You know, I've done construction work because since I was a kid, I work on cars. I'm a computer guy. I do all types of different things, but regardless, I'm not a painter. So I'm gonna fully admit that. So somebody leave me a suggestion, leave me a comment and say, hey man, because since you only painted, seems like 30% of the house, then you technically didn't paint the house. You painted 30% of the house. So why am I paying you $2,200 to paint the house when you only painted 30% of the house? That's a lot of money for what you painted, especially since I saw quite a few flaws. I could point out more. And then on the back deck, they didn't even paint the back deck. Back deck wasn't even touched. So somebody let me know in the comments box down below. Let me know whether I'm legit, whether I'm wrong. I don't know. I just wanted to post something because I'm having a gripe. Maybe I'm just in my feelings right now because I spent $2,200. But somebody let me know something. Hook me up. All right. Peace out, y'all. All right, y'all. So here I am again. Same video, different issue. I don't know. Maybe you get taken advantage of when you're not around to make sure people are doing what they're supposed to do. But here's another issue. Let me turn the camera around so I can show you what I'm doing. Once again, apologize for the glare back there. It's in the morning. I don't know what to do. So regardless, let me switch this camera around, show you what I'm talking about. So this is the pool, right? So normally we keep the pool clean, everything, but we hadn't been here a while. And I'm gonna walk over here and show you. We know how to keep it, we know how to get the pool clean. So you don't have to leave comments on telling me how to clean the pool. We got that. But we had a problem with the pump. The pump stopped pumping. Well, when I turned the pump on, the old pump, it will pump for about 5 minutes, then stop pumping. Now, the old pump had the visible sight glass on top that you can see and see, you know, when stuff's going through, but this one don't. So, as you can see, there's a tree limb already laying down right there, but this tree had a tree limb fall down and it fell right in there and broke that down. So I took the tank apart, took out the sand, straightened the pipe back up, fixed all of the pipe connections and everything, got it back together, turned the power on, did the same thing, pumped for about 5 minutes, and then quit. Well, actually, I take that back. I apologize. It didn't start doing that until it hit the pump. So maybe the pump is damaged. I got it. No problem. So we had an actual pool guy come out and check it out. He came out and he said, you know what? You got a bad pump. This might be the old pump right here that they left behind. Nope, empty box. I'm wrong. Either way, so he came out and he checked it out. He said the pump is bad. Now, he had already quoted us the price for cleaning the pool and getting it fixed and taken care of. So we're like, but he said the pump was bad. We're like, all right, you're the pool guy, you're the expert. He said, I might have a used pump. Didn't have a used pump, so he said, well, I got to put this pump on. So he gave us a price, put the pump on, boom, got it fixed. Now, put the new pump on, and the new pump's not pumping either. So then, I guess the pool guy said, well, there's got to be air in the line somewhere, which is why it's not pumping. Now, mind you, this pump is not pumping at all. Because even with the old pump, when you first turn it on, you know that it's pumping. You can see the flow because out of one of the nozzles right there, you can see the water coming out. And it would actually flow, like I said, for about maybe, I don't know, 5 to 15 minutes. At the most 15. And so, but it would stop. So that's why we assumed that the pool guy was correct and the pump was bad. But now this pump doesn't do anything at all. There's no water flow, no anything coming out. You can hear it running, but nothing comes out. So the pool guy was supposed to come back out and check it out. And guess who hasn't been back in over a week? The pool guy. Now, mind you, the pool guy was already paid. So now the pool had gotten clear, but now it's back green again. Now, I could clean this thing, but why would I clean it when A, the pump's not working like it's supposed to? It comes on everything, just not doing its job, like I said. And B, the pool guy's already been paid. So maybe I answered my own question. The pool guy's already been paid. So is that how we're doing business? Is you get paid and you don't want to come back out because you've already get paid and take care of what you're supposed to take care of? I mean, you've been paid over $1,000. So for that amount of money, you can't take care of your customers? Now, I'm giving the paint people, like I said in my previous thing, and the pool guy to redeem themselves. So I'm not going to put their name out there and say who they are. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to say this is horrible customer service. I don't know how businesses these days stay in business treating their customers like this. It's been over a week. This water was clear when I came back, and now it's gotten green because it's just sitting there. There's no pump running. There's no chemicals in the water. There's nothing to keep the pool like it's supposed to be. So I'm gonna say the same thing I said when I was talking about the paint. Y'all leave a comment, leave a suggestion. I don't know. Let me know whether I'm wrong. Let me know whether I'm right. I have a legitimate gripe. Maybe I don't. I don't know. But leave something in the bottom. Let me know if it's just me. Or maybe I need to say something. Or maybe I need to put their name out there. I'm trying not to do that because I don't want to ruin anybody's business, because I know that's how people put food on the table and provide for their families. And I don't want to ruin anything for anybody because I wouldn't want anybody to do that to me. But on the other hand, this is my money and I have to put food on the table and feed my family too. So y'all leave something. Let me know something. Let me know whether I'm legit or I don't know. I'm just upset, frustrated, annoyed, in my feelings. That's just me. So y'all let me know something. See ya.